Bob Boldt HVAC offers expert AC repair services in Lakeville, Minnesota 55044. When your air conditioning system isn't functioning properly, our experienced technicians are here to diagnose and fix the issue promptly. We handle everything from minor repairs to complex problems, ensuring your AC is running efficiently and keeping your home cool during the hottest months. Our team is dedicated to providing high-quality service at competitive prices, with a focus on customer satisfaction. Trust Bob Boldt HVAC for reliable, fast, and professional AC repair in Lakeville, Minnesota. Contact us today about Bob Boldt HVAC to learn more about our services. Are you looking for a AC repair near me? You can stop looking. You found Bob Boldt HVAC. What AC repair services does Bob Boldt HVAC offer in Lakeville, Minnesota 55044? Bob Boldt HVAC offers comprehensive AC repair services in Lakeville, including diagnosing issues, fixing refrigerant leaks, repairing compressors, replacing faulty parts, and addressing airflow problems. How quickly can Bob Boldt HVAC respond to AC repair requests in Lakeville, Minnesota 55044? Bob Boldt HVAC strives to provide same-day service for AC repair in Lakeville. They also offer 24/7 emergency repair services for urgent issues, ensuring quick response times. What is your Bob Boldt HVAC service office for Burnsville, Minnesota? Our local Bob Boldt HVAC contractors office have served the areas of Burnsville, Apple Valley, Eagan, Farmington, Inver Grove Heights, Lakeville, Mendota Heights, Prairie Lake, Rosemount, St. Paul, Savage, South St. Paul, West St. Paul, Hopkins, Eden Prairie, Shakopee, Edina, Richfield, Minnesota. Where is your Bob Boldt HVAC office? We are located at 12651 Zenith Avenue South Suite 102, Burnsville, Minnesota 55337, United States. Our phone number is 651-300-3050. Visit our website, https://bobboldt.com/Burnsville HVAC/